Home Depot in either Winter Haven or Arbondale.
We're in Winter Haven.
Is this Winter Haven, Arbondale?
This is Winter Haven.
All right, let's go check out. Came here for some rollers for the garage door opener. But you're gonna check out the mulch, and this side's closed. Let's just go inside the main store. Or unless you want to see what's over there. Let's go over there. Come on. Because the only way you can get this is on the outside.
Oh, okay.
Is that what you were looking at?
I just need potting soil. I need cow manure.
You need some manure?
I need some manure.
Look at this. Alrighty. See how much it is. Alright, looks like they got some $3 for mulch here. But the crazy thing is, we seen Lowe's had them for $2 a bag. So, is this your cow manure?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's garden soil, which I need some of that too, but I need
That's
the cow
$4.24
manure for the banana trees.
Alright, let's go through the main entrance. Alright, baby. As we search for the hardware for the garage door.
Yeah.
Now we are inside. Huh? What happened?
I found them for the shower doors, but
Oh, the wheels?
yeah.
See, they have the wheels for the deck, too.
Oh, for the sliding patio?
Yeah. You never know.
You're right, you don't.
So it's got to be in this area here because these are all the wheels, yeah. For patio doors and everything. All right, let's check it out. All right, baby. We found what we were looking for. The wheels. They're $5.27. And I definitely need 10. I know I don't need that. Unless,
No.
but that's what I need. Because our garage door is acting cuckoo. And it feels like it wants to fall apart.
Okay.
Does it tell you the size on here?
Where's it?
Because remember, it was a 2-inch wheel. See, online they had the kit. They had at least some more of them. So you figure 5. What did I say? I need 10. So that's, huh? $5. 5 is 2, 4, 6, 2, 4. So I need 5 of those. 5 packages. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's not bad. Then hopefully they give us a military discount on top of it. Yeah, but that's what I need. I don't need those things. I need that. Okay, so make sure there's 10. Oh, is that the whole kit?
No.
No?
I'm looking.
Yeah, they had it online that they had a whole...
That's the chain. Like
The wheel kit, yeah. And stuff like that. But yeah, if you want to fix your garage, you definitely could do it yourself instead of calling a garage person. All right, so grab 5 of those boxes, and that'll make whatchamacallit. Yeah, we're beyond lube.
I know.
Yeah, garage door lube. That you can use the white lithium, but I'm saying we're beyond that. So as long as there's 10 in there when you grab those. But yeah, windows, aisles. This was in 25. Garage doors, accessories. That'd be 10 in there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Anything else?
Nope, I think that's it.
All right. Did you want to get the manure while we're here? And the mulch we'll just get from Lowe's? Or just take a chance with Lowe's?
I'll just take a chance with Lowe's.
On the mulch. I mean on the manure?
Manure, yeah. And the Miracle-Gro.
Oh, okay.
And this plant's gonna live or it's gonna die.
They even have it to where you can have a wireless and put a keypad on the outside. Oh, the eyes, the safety sensors. But they have everything here. So if you need a garage, whatever. They even sell the whole garage units here. Shoot, not bad. That I would probably get a professional to do that.
Come on, you don't feel froggy?
No. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
All right, dude. We got our garage door thing.
Got our wheels.
And then next thing you know, you can do a DIY on how to put the wheels on.
Yeah. Well,
Does that sound good?
the whole Jeep.
Yeah, I'm gonna help, all right? I'm gonna help holding the camera and
Shit, that's
videotaping
what I
you.
got a tripod for.
Oh, okay.
Always
Gotcha.
trying to get out of shit.
Until our next video, stay 6 feet away.
See ya.
Peace.